In English, the j sound is typically spelled with the letter J or the letter G, and the y sound is typically spelled with the letter Y. Let's practice some minimal pairs so you can hear and produce the difference between the sounds j and y. To learn the mouth positions for each sound, please read the video description below. Here we go. Jet, yet, jet, yet. Jam, yam, jam, yam. Juice, use, juice, use. Gel, yell, gel, yell. Gin, yin, gin, yin. Jack, yak, jack, yak. Joke, yoke, joke, yoke. Jello, yellow, jello, yellow. Jeer, year, jeer, year. Jess, yes, Jess, yes. Juicy, you see, juicy, you see. Major, mayor, major, mayor. John, yawn, John, yawn. Thank you for watching this Vivid English listening and pronunciation practice video. For more pronunciation practice videos, click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Keep listening and keep practicing.